Hi everyone, in this video let me show you how to link your Elementor Pro form to Google Sheets. Google Drive spreadsheet. You can link your Elementor Pro form with the spreadsheet of Google Drive spreadsheet. We can do it previously too with other third-party add-ons or applications like Zapier or something, but that's very troublesome thing, and this topic is something that users frequently arise in the forums or Facebook groups. Here let me introduce you this simple free plugin, WP Sync Sheets Lite for Elementor. Currently this is version 1.0, and what it does is it links your Elementor Pro form with Google Drive spreadsheet. Just it, without any third-party plugins. Although here, let me show you. Let's go to the settings. It does not use third-party application, but it requires Google API, auth ID, and secret key. For that, you have to click here. It will redirect you to the documentation phase of this plugin. Here is the step-by-step guide to set up project in Google API and get the API keys and secret key. Here you have to click on here again. It will redirect to console.developers.google.com/apis. Here you can set up the project step by step, following the steps here in the documentation. I will not go further into it. They have already demonstrated all the steps required here, and if you want video tutorials for these steps, here you can click on video tutorials. Here they have already provided the video tutorials required for setting up API or for using this plugin in Elementor Pro form. Here if you play this video, here they have already demonstrated how to use this plugin all together with Elementor Pro form. So I will not go further into it. They have already done that. So I'm just introducing you this powerful and free plugin. It saves a lot of trouble for those who want to collect user data and form data in form of spreadsheet. And the good news is it's free too. And if you want more features, you can go for Pro. There is Pro version of this plugin. And I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope this plugin is helpful to you. I think this plugin is helpful to all WordPress users, all Elementor Pro users, because in every website there will be a form, at least contact page, contact us form, or sign up form, something. There will be always a form in WordPress website, and in those WordPress forms, Elementor Pro forms need this plugin. So I think it will be beneficial. It'd be a good plugin for both beginners or pro Elementor users, WordPress users.